Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of AP Environmental Science Facts. So, today we're going to be talking about indoor air pollutants, but more specifically, we're going to be talking about carbon monoxide. Okay, we have a few questions and we're going to answer them for y'all. Okay, first question. What are the origins of carbon monoxide? Well, carbon monoxide is found in fumes produced anytime you burn fuel in your car or trucks, small engines, stoves, lanterns, grills, fireplaces, gas ranges, or furnaces. Carbon monoxide can build up indoors and poison people and animals who breathe it. So it's some pretty scary stuff. Okay, how long has a specific pollutant been a problem? Well, it was first prepared a long time ago by a French chemist, and that was in 1776. Because it was burned with a blue flame, he mistakenly thought it was hydrogen. In 1880, William Cruikshank identified it as a compound containing carbon and oxygen. In which parts of the world is this a problem? It's pretty much a problem everywhere because it's regulated everywhere. Gas stoves are used all over the world. Cars are used all over the world. So, what are harmful effects of your specific pollutant? Well, breathing it in can cause many symptoms, and some of the symptoms that it can cause are headache, dizziness, vomiting, and nausea. If the carbon monoxide levels are high enough, it can even cause death. So, exposure to moderate and high levels of carbon monoxide over periods of time has also been linked with an increase of heart disease. Does it cause damage to plants? Carbon monoxide does not poison plants since it is rapidly oxidized from carbon dioxide, which is used for photosynthesis. Does it cause damage to animals? Yes, it can definitely cause damage to animals because carbon monoxide that affects the house with a dog in it can affect the dog too, and the dog can even die. Okay. Does it disrupt the natural ecosystem? When carbon monoxide is emitted into the atmosphere, it affects the amount of greenhouse gases, which are linked to climate change and global warming. This means that land and sea temperature increases, changing to ecosystems, increasing storm activity and often other extreme weather events. So it does affect the ecosystem and the environment. Does it decrease the aesthetic value of an area? Not really, because it can happen anywhere. Does it cause disease in humans? Yes, it can affect all types of people, healthy people, unhealthy people. It doesn't really have any limits. What are solutions to carbon monoxide? Keeping gas appliances properly adjusted. Consider putting a vented space heater when replacing an unvented one. Use proper fuel and kerosene space heaters. Install an exhaust fan vented to outdoors over gas stoves. How can carbon monoxide be cleaned up? The easiest way to remove carbon monoxide from your house is to open the windows and doors to allow fresh air and allow the carbon monoxide to dissipate. There are a lot of ways that we can prevent carbon monoxide use. We can switch over to more electric appliances. We can get rid of the gas stoves, use just the regular stoves that just heat it up. We don't need to be using the gas stoves. Okay. Thinking about its origins, are there alternatives that would create less pollution? Yes, like I said, gasless stoves. Also, limit your use in your car, limit your driving. Carpool, walk instead of drive, use less. And the last question that was asked is how can we fix the problem? Right now, there's not very many ways to fix the problem, but hopefully over time, new technology will be able to wipe out that use of all that gas and all that, and especially like gas stoves and stuff like that, because it can be a scary thing because of the side effects that come along with it. So, thank you.